Stand up, Yash. Oh, what?
Half.
Santa? Okay.
Could give him 5.
What about milk?
Drink the whole. Wow.
What did you do?
There's another one.
What? Is that for you?
I don't know.
Come here.
Baby. How does Santa know that?
Merry Christmas, Sahil.
How does he know that?
Santa knows everything. Well, who's that for?
Josh. Let's see what it is. Lots of casinos. He noticed that. Magic pen. Kaushik doesn't even have this. Not even this.
Wow.
Aww. What's inside?
It's a magic pen.
Nothing. No, see, I don't feel anything. It's nothing. Magic pen. Good angel. Anything paper here?
See if there's another one. What about this? Oh, this you know that this is
What?
puzzle.
Paper?
No, but check if there's another one for you.
I know. It's not coming. Oh, you need something paper. You need $1 or so.
Okay, we'll do that later. Can you put it back and check if there's another one inside?
No, inside where? Stocking?
No,
This one?
Who is that for?
Yash.
Yash and Sahil?
Yash and Sahil. Here's your shoes. Wait, what? Oh, it's a balancing thingy. It's a balancing thingy.
Cool. Okay.
It's even for babies.
What about? I think there's another one, right?
That's for Sahil.
No, this is for Sahil. This one.
Yeah, that's for Sahil.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it is. See, Sahil.
See properly.
It's the stocking. It's for Sahil. Oh, it is. You got it. You got lots of stuff from Santa. Maybe he was a very good boy.
Maybe.